my name is Yohanna. I'm from Indonesia, my hometown called Surabaya. I've been living here for about 2 years. So I choose to study in Australia because they do have a lot of beautiful places, a lot of festival, and also it's close to my hometown. There are some opportunities to make friends in Australia, so you can join the university club, taking up the sport, talking to your classmates, or even join the communities that having around in Australia. So I got invited by my Mexican friend and Spanish friend. They really like salsa, but I don't know how to dance. I joined the salsa club and I learned how to dance, and it's really fun. It's a good way to escape from the stress of the studying. I like to exploring the city and around the city because there are a lot of beautiful places to find. Often hunting for a different spot in the city or outside the city as well to hang around with friends, trying a lot of different food. So I called my friend and I said, hey, I found something new and nice. Do you want to have a dinner with me? For the international student that coming to Australia, be open and don't be afraid because they are friendly and lovely.